Welcome back to this video. Let's talk first about our profits. We took yesterday the trade here on Bitcoin around 106,400. I also post this here in our Patreon group, link down below in the video description. So if you want to join this free group, just take part of it. First link in the video description. I told you here the buy zone and also the exit points. We already reached exit 1 and also exit 2. So congratulations on all who took this trade. We are now keeping here quite in profit right now. I also took some profits here over there. Let me refresh the chart. Here we see I already took some profit around 110,000 US dollar on the exit number 2. And when we go to our chart on Bitcoin, we see that our trade target, it's already playing out very nice, or our target, our trade setup. We hold this support level here between 106 and 105,000 US dollar. I expect that we can come down under there, because when we look on the liquidation map, we see that a lot of long positions are building up. And also we go here to the refresh it quickly on the liquidation levels. We see at 108,000 US dollars, we have a lot of liquidity coming in. And also when we look on the weekly schedule of the liquidation heat map, then we can also see that we have on 105,000 US dollars, as I talked in the video yesterday about it, that we have a lot of liquidity down there. So I expect here, like a little bit sideways, we could see the move to the all-time high, get the liquidity out there, and came then down to 106,000, 105,000 US dollars, grab the liquidity here, and then shoot up. Or we first roll over, grab the liquidity here, and then shoot up. But when we see here on the EMA ribbon, we can clearly see that also the EMA ribbon flipped again. We also can mark this now as a support area, so we can mark it green. So I expect here like a little bit sideways. The EMA ribbon will also go straight up. We get a retest on the EMA ribbon. Maybe we can, maybe like quite a little bit on 109,000 US dollars, and then we shoot to 110,000, 111,000 US dollars, because when here we go back on the liquidation heat map, we see that a lot of liquidity is sitting here at 110,000 US dollars. That's also the reason I marked it as the exit 2 or exit 2. So if you're now looking for a Bitcoin position, you can enter it right now I would say when we retest 109,000 US dollars, trade this to the all-time high. There I would definitely take some profits. Also on the way up on 110,000 US dollars, as you saw it on the liquidation heat map. And the stop loss, to be honest, we can potentially, maybe like here around this, because we can potentially see that we are dipping quite to 108,000 US dollars, because a lot of liquidity is sitting here in this part and also down under here. So remember, there's a lot of liquidity there. If we go down to 105,000 US dollars, there you should definitely position some limit orders. I will also make some limit orders later, because if we came down, it would be like only like a week, I would say. Definitely like here, came straight up, because here we didn't touch it properly. So if we came down, we can definitely buy some limit orders or buy spot position, because then we will see definitely a move back to the upside. I will keep this trade set up here, so we can have a look later or tomorrow on the next update. Before we talk about some altcoin position we have also opened up, let's talk about the next specific dates that are coming up. So on Wednesday we have a FOMC meeting, so there we can potentially have a lot of volatility in the market. So there are definitely, I expect a move either to the all-time high or a quick move down to 105,000 US dollars. So keep that in mind, that we have a FOMC meeting on Wednesday coming up. But let's go now on our Ethereum trade. Let's have a look first of all there. So here we see we are quite, we are big in profit. So everyone who catch this trade should be already big in profit. We can keep this running, so there's no need to adjust anything else because target is quite the same, especially like on 3,000 US dollars there I would take the profits. We can keep it running. It looks like a very nice setup on our Solana position. Same remains on our Solana trade. Here we can also turn this again now in support level. So here is also a next trade coming up. So everyone who didn't get in the Solana trade, I shared the Solana trade 2 days ago on our Solana. First of all, we had a Solana trade running, I think 5 days ago. Let me check. 3 days ago, there I gave you the entry zone. We had already take profit 1, and then we got a chance to re-enter here our Solana buy. So the Solana is still active. Everyone who is in the trade, keep it running. Target remains 190 to 200 US dollars. So just keep the trade running. If you don't enter the trade yet, wait for a retest of the area here between 177 US dollars and 174 US dollars. There you can re-enter and trade this all the way up. See, we came close to our entry, so depends when the video coming out and we get a retest. Probably we had a retest already here, so it could be already that we miss the trade here. So just when the video come out, just check about the Solana trade. If it's active, you can enter it. You can still enter it also right now, but it's more on the safer side to wait for the retest here. That's basically all from the video. So if you also want to take part of this trade, just go under the video description. There you find first of all the link to the Patreon community. Here I share all the trade positions. Here yesterday the Bitcoin position, which is all the way up now in profit. Also, you can join my copy trading group. Just press down the link in the video description. There you can copy trade me on ByBit. Also, all links to ByBit you find in the video description. Now we still have 32 trades closed and profit, 100% profit rate in the last week. So heavy profit we make here on this channel. And don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and then we see in the next video tomorrow.